por baman kasngi awan lam shipi da unang yanam ni
Kibon, dan ito. Min industry datang.
Today being a Sunday, we have gotten the permission and approval to organize this program today on the 23rd of January. For all the BLOs, I think this is not a new day, this is not a new program. They've all been familiar with this one, but to the new gathering, to the new first-time voters, I would like to welcome you to this arena where you are now a full-time participant of democracy. As we know, we have a country which is also known as the biggest democracy in the world. We have a population of more than 1 billion people, and we have a population of people under 35 years of age. We have about 65% of people in India who are below 35 years of age. So the new voters today, you have become a full-fledged citizen today, because when we talk about vote, when we talk about the right of the people to vote, we also have to remind ourselves that voting is not just a right, it is also a responsibility. So the Election Commission of India has established or has endeavored to bring an awareness to all the citizens who are eligible to vote the importance of the National Voters' Day. In its vision and in its endeavor to garner more participation from our young people, the National Voters' Day, I would like to tell you, was first established in 2011, where we had celebrated the participation or the coming of the first-time voters. So today we can see quite a number, and I would like to congratulate all the BLO who has been able to mobilize the first-time voters to come and collect your epic today. As I was sitting here, I was listening to the song, which is so patriotic, and thank you once again to the Lakai group. They've always been ready to entertain us, to add color and poems and ceremony to a small program over here with their talent. Thank you once again. And I believe that most of you who have come today, the first-time voters, have also participated in the on-the-spot extempore speech competition in the country today, because you have the courage, you have the chance, you have the power to change the condition of your living, the change condition of your country by exercising your vote, which I have told you from the beginning, it's not just a right. Voting is also a responsibility. So I would not like to take so much time, but I'd just like to remind once again to everyone present here, from our officers, the election team, our BLO, to work tirelessly to encourage people to come forward, to participate, to enroll. So as you have, you'll be getting your epic shortly. I would like you also to mobilize, to inspire your peers, your contemporaries, your friends who have not enrolled themselves in electoral roll, those who have reached the eligible age of 18 years of age or citizen of India. They are all, entitled to come for enrollment and be enrolled in the electoral process.
Thank you.
Sangritkan kari
नौकरी मेरा भारत महान नमले रखबन करता नस्लो सारों बंदों kamay India ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकारा
Banyo iki kubon baman kesni, sumhawan subscribe ika channel Unong Yelang News. Kumle shibu.